Okie dokie. So you can probably guess what we got here. I fitted this a couple of months ago, I think it was, and this is the full double swivel seat. Okay, this is probably going to be for sale. Simple reason is I need to get through the cab and utilize more space. So the idea was, when I bought the van, was to have the cab incorporated, so we've got more space in the front as well, which we can swivel the seats down. I've done that. I swiveled the seat round. It's just too darn big. I want to be able to walk through and, you know, access the cab from the back as well. So I bit the bullet. I need to get another swivel for it, but I've bit the bullet because we can't use this swivel. I don't think we can. I don't think we can on this one. I'll double check to see what they look like. If not, I'll just be selling the seat, but I think I'll be selling the seat with the swivel as well. It's in very good condition. I wouldn't say perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. It's absolutely mint, except for this little tiny bit of, that's not even that low. There's nothing wrong with it. It's actually mint condition, and I think it's exactly the same as one. Oh, look at that. I forgot we had them. It's exactly the same as the one that I've got in the garage. I'll show you in a second, but we don't have one of them, so I might have to borrow that. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I might have to get one anyway, separate. Okay, so what we're looking at is replacing the whole lot with, follow me, this. Not just that. It come with that, and it come with these. It come with the side panels. I don't think it come with the screws, unless the screws are already in it. Yes, look at that, the screws are already in it. It came with that, which just pushes on, so you can adjust the backrest. It came with the headrest as well, and I think it's the same colour. Let's have a quick look. It is, isn't it? Look at that. Grey stitching, black, sorry, with white stitching and grey mottled thing. And it's immaculate. This was for, well, let's say £549 with delivery. I know it's a lot of money, but the van is immaculate. My other seat is immaculate, and I wasn't prepared to put a scrubby old seat in. Anyway, that's me. What else is in the box? Nothing, I don't think. The only thing that's bugging me, somewhere along the line, I got the seat, the bolts that came with it, and I don't know what I did with them. I really don't know what I did with them. I'll show you what I mean by the bolts. I don't think it's them. It's the bolts here. And see this bit here with this V coming out? Where that is? Well, that's in the original seats. And what they do, the bolts fit in. I think it's underneath here, this plate. And the bolts fit in there. And then the seats just slot in, and then they bolt at the front. And I took the bolts and I don't know what I've done with them. I mean, it'd be alright. I can put ordinary bolts in, it doesn't really matter. I'll just put a spacer. Oops, video in. There we go. So I'm doing that hopefully tonight. I might have a look at that tonight. I can undo that safety belt or the seat belt catch and take one of them out, because we've got to have the seat belt in. That's law. Yeah, so we'll see how we get on. I'm going to have to unbolt all this and redo and play around a bit. Okay, so that's where we are, and I'll show you the fitting of the new seat. Check the colour. Yeah, look at that. Black, white stitching, mottled grey. That's what I wanted. So it's going to be that size. We're going to have a walk through. It's going to be, it's a game changer actually. Also, because Jane sits on here, when she sits on here, because this raised it up by about, is it 10, 5, 6 centimetres, I think it is, the gap. So her feet's dangling. And when you turn the seat around, because you haven't got a backrest adjustment, it's a bit, you push forward a bit more. So, but that's fine. But I just need that walkthrough. Definitely need a walkthrough. So if anybody's thinking of converting a van and you want a bit of advice, buy a single seat, pop it in, or buy a van with the seats already in. It's up to you. I mean, you know, me, it's worth the money, because it just makes the van a little bit more versatile. Okie dokie, took out the double seat. I'm going to have to pinch that seat belt, I think. That one there. Yeah, I'm going to have that. Right, let me just show you what I've replaced it with. Ta-da! Should have done this in the first place, really. Let me just put some light on the matter. Oh, I was going to put some light on the matter, just a little bit. Right, so now we have a walkthrough, and we're going to put swivels on both these, by the way. I should have done it in the first place. I shouldn't have put left the double in. I thought it'd be sensible, but look at the room. I've just walked through the cab. That gap there. Perfect. I mean, you know, what a difference. Let me just show you. There we go. And we're going to put swivels on these, and when you put swivels on these, both the drivers and the passenger, it takes up a little bit higher, but you've got the option with the driver's seat and the passenger seat with the levers at the side, which I will show you now. See, look at that. Just walk through. And they're going to swivel, so they're going to become part of the lounge and become part of the diner. And using these two levers at the side, that one drops the back down, that one drops the front down, or vice versa, up, up. So I put it at the lowest, so when the swivel goes on, we can just reset it. That's fine. The mat I cut out, we're going to have to rethink that one because we threw it. So it's just the mat which is in there, and that's the step down there. You can see with a band on it. Over the moon. It came in this condition. It is absolutely mint condition. It came with the two sides with the screws in. It came with the adjuster. It came with the other side. Show you that there. It doesn't come with the seat belt, but I can take it off the spare one in here, which we've got on the double seat, because if I sell it, someone's going to replace it with something else, or a single seat, I don't know, or replace the damaged one, and then they just take the seat belt off that. But look at the difference. That's now turned it. So now you've got full use of the cab. So we've just gained another 4 foot. Brilliant. This is what I wanted to do in the first place. I should have done it. My fault. Anyway, there you go. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. So this is just giving you an insight that, yeah, put a swivel. If you're going to put a swivel in, put a single seat in. I'll put a link in the description down below where I got it. Take care.